to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I